The Aixam Coupe is a compact, stylish microcar designed for urban driving. Here are some key details about the Aixam Coupe. General information. Manufacturer Aixam, a French company specializing in microcars. Vehicle type Microcar quadricycle. Seating capacity to passengers. Body style two-door coupe. Engine and performance. Engine type typically equipped with a small diesel or electric motor. Displacement around 400 to 500 cc for diesel models. Power output approximately 426 kilowatts, 5 to 8 horsepower for diesel models. Electric models vary. Top speed limited to 45 kilometers per hour, comply with quadricycle regulations in many countries. Transmission automatic or CVT, continuously variable transmission. Dimensions and weight. Length around 2.3 meters, 7.5 feet. Width approximately 1.3 meters, 4.3 feet. Height about 1.4 meters, 4.6 feet. Weight around 350 to 450 kilogram, 770 to 990 pounds, depending on the model. Features. Design compact and aerodynamic with a sporty look. Interior basic but functional, with seating for two and minimal cargo space. Fuel efficiency extremely high, making it ideal for city driving. Safety equipped with basic safety features, including seat belts and sometimes airbags depending on the model and region. Target market. Urban drivers ideal for city dwellers who need a small, efficient vehicle for short commutes. Eco-conscious consumers electric models appeal to those looking for an environmentally friendly option. Young drivers in some countries, the Aixam Coupe can be driven by individuals with a special license, for example, AM license in Europe at a younger age than required for standard cars. Availability. Regions primarily available in Europe, where microcars are popular due to their efficiency and ease of parking in crowded cities. The Aixam Coupe is a practical and economical choice for those who prioritize efficiency and maneuverability over speed and space.